What you gonna tell them?
Hey, big.
Say I potty.
Bye.
Say I've been pottying. I haven't had any accidents.
Huh?
Hmm? You crazy boy. We about to watch The Grinch.
Well, I watched The Grinch like 2 times.
You watch it at Mama house? What you want to watch then? Home Alone?
Yeah.
Huh?
You can watch it. No.
You want to watch this, Cam?
No.
No? You want to watch this? Mwah. Okay, y'all, I just opened this package from Amazon. I'm like, what is this? One of my business partners sent me this as a gift, and I'm like, did I buy this by mistake? I didn't buy this. And then I saw the gift note in there. It says, thanks for being such an amazing leader and friend. You are such an inspiration to me, and you've helped me change for the better. Okay, hold on, baby. I have a new glow about myself because I have you as my mentor. Hugs and kisses from Erica Williams. I appreciate this so much, but I was definitely like, you know, you shop on Amazon too much when you don't know if you purchase something or not. Taylor, why are you faking? What are you laying on him for? She didn't put him to sleep now. She laying all over the top of him. He need to wake up for he be up all night. Has Crew been out? I'm about to take Crew out.
I took him out.
No, you didn't. There's no way you did, Taylor.
I did.
Whatever. Hey y'all, I just finished filming some TikToks. I had to take my hair down. I was looking like a bum for like 5 days straight. I couldn't take it no more. But I'm about to clean this chicken and put it in the oven for dinner. Around 375. I hate cleaning chicken so much. Like, do you hate cleaning chicken? I hate it.
Crew, say hello. You gonna eat? Head on over here. Ah, look at here. Done woke up from your 10-minute nap, huh? You sleepy. Oh, I'm sleepy, daddy. Tired. Had a long night. Stop. Come on, Taylor. Alright, let's go then.
Sit down.
So we about to play JoJo Siwa.
Pinky Peanut.
I said it right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get it. You know how to play?
Yeah.
You sure?
So when you see this one, then you can...
Hold on.
So when you see this right here, then you can go right there.
Okay.
And if you see this, you will have to get one of these.
Okay.
Follow the rules.
Follow the rules.
So what this one, what goes on poopy don't go.
What are you talking about? Ain't nothing scripted. Can't talk about, I mean, seriously, talking about so y'all want to see the real stuff. Nothing scripted. Ain't nothing scripted.
They want to see the mess ups and all that. Like, you know.
Anyway,
I'm so sorry.
Taylor did not tell me that she had school today. She just sat on the couch all day just playing. I told her, I was like, Taylor, you have to do some work. She missed morning meeting. What do you have to say?
You missed school? So that's why you was down here the whole time with me? While I was working? I thought you had school.
I know.
You forgot?
You just tricking me. That's all.
Mommy tricked
She
you?
missed morning meeting and everything.
Why mommy do you like that? Did mommy do it? Is it mommy's fault?
It's my fault because I missed school.
Oh, man.
Oh, cut. And cut. Scene. That was perfect on the first try, Taylor. You know good and well you ain't got school today. You know you ain't had school today. You had school today.
Let's get back to the game.
Taylor, you know you ain't had school today, didn't you?
Stop, Kim.
Huh?
Mommy.
What?
Get off of me, dude.
Taylor, you know you don't have school until 2021. I done told you that already.
You an actress. You know
So, y'all call her Halle Berry from now on.
You an actress for real.
I thought
Faces
Mom
all
was
red,
shaking
and
it.
you have real tears.
Halle
It's
Berry, Halle Berry. Boom,
Oh, you
boom.
gotta stop.
I can't.
You want mommy to cook some chicken for you? You hungry?
You did that.
Want some rice?
Come on, let's get it.
Oh, yeah, he just woke up from a nap, so.
So it's my door.
Can.
The 3.
Mommy gotta go put the chicken in the oven, okay?
Right here.
Okay? Can you get down?
I'm there.
Can you get down?
Mommy,
Thank you, baby. You got a potty?
do I have to get one?
Y'all, Cam has been doing great. And I didn't say this yesterday. He pottied on himself, but he had just came back from my parents' house and he did not potty on himself the whole entire time he was there. But one time. He only pottied on himself one time at my parents' house. And he wore undies the whole time. Today, he's wore his underwear all day long. And he has not pottied on himself. So he's been doing great. Set the timer. Just put the chicken in the oven. We'll leave it there for 45 minutes. All right. So yes, my baby is officially potty trained. For real. So I'm super proud of him. Where is my phone? All right. I have a call at 7:30. All right. I'm gonna talk to y'all later. All right, y'all, the food is made. I just baked the kids chicken. Hold on.
I don't know if he's dragging it or he just spitting it back in there.
I baked the kids chicken because they don't like fried chicken, but I put ours in the air fryer. Me and CJ's, I put it in the air fryer, and then we just have rice. I seasoned that and green beans. And that's it for
Are you drinking
dinner.
the water, man? I think that's what he's doing.
And they're waiting to eat. The best food, Narnie.
Mom,
Okay, tell me what you think.
You're a cloud
I
chaser.
think it's good.
What part you like the best?
Rice, bomb.
Bomb, okay. Green beans,
Green, bomb.
okay.
Next one.
You don't like the chicken that much? Taylor, you don't like the chicken that much?
No,
Okay, that's fine.
Let me have it then.
Daddy killed his food. Empty. Cam killed his food. Look, all on the floor. And I still haven't ate. I just had a call real quick.
Dude, you're not eating.
Y'all told Taylor the air fryer is a spaceship.
Get down, Kim. You're...
Oh, is that air fry?
Yes,
Today, we're gonna make some coffee, but it's not actually coffee. We're going to do, let me show you.
Is that the first time you ever heard it?
This,
Oh, okay.
that's not coffee. It's not.
I don't leave voice messages.
This is brownies with actually.
All right, let's cheers.
What did it say, guys?
It says Christmas. Christmas, Christmas.